Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Bytes Season 2, Episode 1. This is a huge milestone, and I didn't think I would be able to commit to doing this series for this long. Anyway, let's get started. The first article comes from TechCrunch, an American online publisher focusing on the tech industry. They say that Twitch has released a new free broadcasting program. And first of all, it looks amazing. I like the interface, and it kind of resembles Discord, which I also like. If you haven't heard much about Twitch, they just lost their most beloved streamer, Ninja, to Microsoft's platform Mixer. Basically, what Twitch is trying to do is get people who don't know much about streaming to start and eventually grow out of their program. Then the streamer gains popularity, which then generates revenue for Twitch. Pretty interesting, right? The second article comes from The Verge, an American technology news and media network. They report that Motorola has just released a brand new foldable phone, the Motorola Razr. You might remember that I did another Tech Bite about this, but now it has a review that I'd like to share. This isn't the first time they've released a new take on the Razr. There was an entire line of fairly generic Droid Razr phones, but they didn't fold. The new Razr is actually foldable, and by the way, it has a foldable screen. It isn't that fast due to its slow Snapdragon 710 processor, but every other spec checks the boxes. OLED screen, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and USB-C. The Verge says, "It's been years since there's been a truly viable high-end flip phone, and it's easy to forget just how enjoyable that flip phone experience is." The third article also comes from The Verge, an American technology news and media network. Oh, you know who's also an American technology and media network? Me! Yes, you heard that right. I'm working on 2 websites hosted on Linode for you guys. The first is my channel's site, where you can find links and fun pages at techtimony.net. And the second site is where you can find my biggest project ever. It's an alternative to YouTube where you can have access to my videos and upload your own. Anyway, back to the third article. The Verge reported that Google has released support for RCS on Android. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services. It's a successor to SMS, the traditional way to text before iMessage. And like other texting services, it supports read receipts, typing indicators, improved group chats, and high-quality images. There are several downsides to this, though. The first downside is that RCS doesn't support end-to-end encryption, so it's less secure. And the second downside is that it's up to the carriers to support RCS, and that might take a while. But wait, there's more. Samsung users won't be able to use RCS with the Samsung texting app, and they'll have to switch. That's a lot to say. The fourth article comes from Gadget, a multilingual technology blog network. They report that Microsoft is now bundling Discord Nitro with Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass, or the Netflix of video games, is a subscription service for the Xbox One in which you can get games from different publishers. Additionally, the company is throwing in 1 free month of EA Access, 3 free months of Discord Nitro, and 6 free months of Spotify Premium. The starting price is $1 a month, but after that, the initial payment goes up to $9.99 a month. So watch out, folks. The fifth article comes from ZDNet. They reported that Chrome has a recent bug that has crashed many systems and broken many businesses' workflows. This has angered many IT departments, and a school that I know lost access to Chrome, and that has damaged the work schedule. I think this is terrible. This could literally stop Google itself from working. No one would be able to go on it. And that is catastrophic. I certainly hope that doesn't happen to me either. So that wraps up the first video from season 2. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like the next one. If you want to see it, smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon. And if a box pops up, make sure you hit all. If you'd like to see my videos a week early but not Tech Bytes, the website is LDM Vids. Again, that's LDM Vids.